How to fix YouTube crashing on any Android phone. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to your phone and go to the settings page on your Android phone. Now go to the apps manager right here, and then all what you have to do is click on apps again, and it will take you to this page right here. You will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on the search bar in the top and search for YouTube like this, and then click on it. And now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just click on force stop and then click on disable, and then go down to the storage right here, and make sure to clear data and clear cache, and go back. And now all what you have to do is enable YouTube again, and this time go to the home page and reopen YouTube, and the problem must be solved successfully and easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe.